Hey Tribe Forex traders, today is November 3rd, 2014, and we have had a phenomenal time in the markets last month. Now we're into November, we're just beginning November. Truly excited about that. Finishing October with over 20+% profit, the same thing that we did in September. We're going into November now. I hope you guys are 1000% with us. We had phenomenal results in the last few months, and we're looking to do it again in November. So guys, we have non-farm payroll coming up on Thursday. Before we get to non-farm payroll, we've got to kind of navigate this next week. We've got some trade calls for you, but I've got to be honest, we've got a tremendous amount. We have a little bit, actually not a tremendous amount. We have a little bit of ambiguity in the market, which means that we don't know which way it's going to go. Well, we've got to call a sell because we've had nothing but sells in the market for the euro dollar. We've had a lot of dollar strength. We've got to continue on with that. In that theme, we're going to go ahead and call 125.24 sell on the euro dollar. Okay, so 125.24, we could see it obviously move up beyond that, but we're going to call 125.24 for a sell on the euro dollar. On the dollar Swiss, we are going to call a 0.9600 buy on the dollar Swiss here. And yeah, it's actually very, very close. We're going to call that, and then we're going to call, we're not going to call the pound dollar. As you can see, the pound dollar is kind of in the apex here. And what we can do is we can look to see probably a lot of consolidation. We can see a bit of consolidation at 159.21 between 160.82. We actually want to see what the pound dollar is going to do in the next few days as we get prepared for another big move. Dollar yen gapped up and kept on moving forward, moving up. So a lot of yen weakness really is what we've exhibited on the yen pairs. We're going to leave that alone as well and not call it. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, I don't think I have a call for the Aussie dollar. I'm actually not going to call the Aussie dollar today. Not calling the New Zealand dollar. And you know what we're going to do here? We're going to actually try the euro yen. So we're going to call a euro yen buy at 140.50. No pound yen trade at this juncture. And dollar CAD, we're actually going to wait. Now look on the dollar CAD, just a little something for you to consider. The dollar CAD, as we approach the daily chart, the dollar CAD is at a key area. It's at 113.50. Really right now it's going to have to break through that area or turn back at this area. Okay, so we could see price move up above 113.62. It's at an apex. It's at an axiomatic moment in the market. Let us wait and see what happens next. So we're going to wait on all these pairs. Honestly, in retrospect, I think I'm going to wait on this dollar Swiss. And I'm going to call the euro dollar sell at 125, as I said, 125.24, I believe I said. And I'm going to call the euro yen at 140.50, a buy at 140.50 on the euro yen, a sell on at 125.24 on the euro dollar. And those are the two calls that I'm going to make today, guys. All the best. Bye-bye.